Now, so one guy thinks say he go manage customer money small before he know wetin dey happen. Case don't reach court. This Lagos no be for play. Make I yarn you. If na your first time here, welcome to Make We Yarn Tori, where we dey break law stories for your side every day. No dulling. Make you no forget to subscribe, like, and share. Like this, the story start. Ade dey run him business for WhatsApp and Instagram. You know that kind DM for price level. One day, Auntie Bosse ordered 2 Android phones for her shop. Transfer 500,000 naira complete. Ade promise say, "Ma, give me 3 days, I go deliver." But as life go be, problem show. One of Ade's guys with a supplier mess up. At the same time, Ade get urgent family issue. Money done tight. Now there, wahala start. Ade think say, make I use this money settle small issue first. Before next week, I go balance am. Next week no come easy. Auntie Bosse begin call. "My goods nko?" Ade go reply, "Ma, shipment delay small." Delay turn excuse, excuse turn avoidance. Before long, Ade no dey pick call again. Na so Auntie Bosse vex carry matter go court. For court, Ade stand like person wey NEPA just take light from. Judge Umaru ask, "You collect 500k, you no deliver goods, you no refund. Why?" Ade talk softly, "Your Honor, I think say I go fit replace am quickly." Judge no gree. This no be thinking matter. If you collect money, you deliver or you refund. Court order Ade to refund the 500,000 naira and pay damages to Auntie Bosse for stress, delay, and inconvenience where she suffer. Ade struggle gather money, borrow here, beg there, but damage done already done. Customer trust gone, name done spoil small for online space. Make sure say you separate your business account and personal account. It go help you manage money well, keep your business structure clean, and it go help you maintain customer trust. Once you dey mix am, wahala fit enter anytime. Person's money no be borrow. If you collect am for business, no use am do side thing. If it cost you pass wetin you expect. Abeg, seller don't ever use your money hold body before. Or as customer, you don't ever pay for something with a delay too much. Wetin happen, make we gist. Till next time, now Make We Yarn Tori, where gist dey teach sense.
Make a way, Yarn Tori.